So good afternoon to one and all. We have yesterday we have discussed about the series circuit and parallel circuit combination of that one we have already discussed. So now we'll discuss about that some two more problems we'll take that one, then only it will easy to understand you people about the star delta connection and all the things here. Almost I'm going to cover here only star delta connection. I'm going to cover here only. So to check the problem, this problem, anyone can solve this one here. See, find current flowing through all branches here. This is current flowing through 20 ohm, current flowing through that 6 ohm, 10 ohm, and all the things we have to determine here. So anyone can you find that one? Yes. Is it audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So solve the problem. Already yesterday we have discussed the problems, and today also we are discussing two more problems which will become useful for you people. So next topic के लिए useful है उसके लिए मैंने अभी consider करेंगे. Now only will consider this one. See here the 10 volt supply is there. The current I will start to flow here because of this voltage. Main current I will start to flow here. We'll get two parts here now. At this junction, some current will flow here and some current will flow here now. So I1 and I2 will split here and same I current will come back here. Yes, correct. So to find the total current, first we have to find the total current, then we have to find the I1, I2 here now. To find the current flowing through 20 ohm, the total resistance should be required now. First we have to identify total resistance here now. To find the total resistance, our aim is to find the total resistance. This current will start to flow here 20 ohm plus 6 and 10 ohms are in parallel now. 6 and 10 ohm are in parallel. 6 into 10 divided by 6 plus 12, that plus 20 we have to do total resistance of the circuit here now. That one I am writing here now. So the main current I is current flowing here now. At this point it will get two paths, some current will flow here, some current will flow here now. So 20 ohm is plus 6 and 10 are in parallel here now. Some current, same current splitting into two parallel. Some parallel paths we have considered, some parallel paths we have considered here now. So 6 and 10 are in parallel. So 20 plus 6 and 10 parallel answer. 6 into 10 divided by 6 plus 10 equal to 60 by 16 equal to 3.752 ohm. 3.75 ohm we can write down here now. So 6 and 10 are in parallel. So the total resistance, this one 3.75 plus 20 is nothing but RT equal to 20 here. 23.75 ohm we can tell them. Okay. Once we got the total resistance में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना आइडेंटिफाई करने में?
No, sir.
Once we find the total resistance of the circuit, next we can add this one here now 20, and these two resistances reduced into one resistance, that is 6 and 10 are in parallel, 3.75. So 20 plus this 3.75 equal to 23.75 total resistance. Next I equal to V by R, we know the formula V by R. So V equal to 10 divided by 23.7, 0.421 is ampere. So we got the total current now. From this circuit we have identified total current. Next current identify करने के लिए जैसे last circuit को आया था ऐसे ही वापस ऊपर जाना है. So current flowing through 10 ohm I considered as I1 here now. So to find the I1, yesterday I told law of division of current. I1 equal to main current I into opposite resistance. Is it audible?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
कॉलेज का नेट से घर का नेट ही अच्छा है शायद. 5 and 67. Roll number 5 and 67. What is the time? Okay. So Once I is calculated from this circuit, these two are the total resistance and this is 10. I equal to V by R we can calculate here now. To calculate the parallel path current, I1, see here, I1 equal to total current I into opposite resistance. I into 6 divided by 6 plus 10 here now. Summation of these two parallel path here now. That one only we have written. I into 6 divided by 6 plus 10. So I equal to how much?
0.42.
0.42 into 6 is nothing but 2.526 we got here now. Divided by 60, it is nothing but 0.15787 ampere we have considered here now. Similarly, current flowing through this 6 ohm resistance I2 equal to mean current I into opposite resistance I1. Opposite resistance I1 divided by summation of parallel paths here now. I into 10 divided by 6 plus 10 here now. So 0.421 into 2 is 4.21 divided by 16, it is nothing but 0.2651 we are going to get here now. So this answer we are going to get summation of I1 and I2 is equal to I here now. So 0.421, 0.421. It is satisfied here now. So this type of conditions will come here now. Again something will come here. See here, instead of here one more resistance they will add and they will take that one here. Here और एक resistance add किए तो this is 20 plus this parallel plus this whatever the resistance they will give here. This is combination of series and parallel circuit. They can give any type combination here. You can consider. You have to consider that one as series and parallel circuit. You have to consider here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Will you solve the another problems? Are you ready to solve some problems, some more difficult, different problems? Already we came to end of the first unit almost. Maybe tomorrow we'll finish that one. See here. Next you take this one. Just a minute. You take this problem, solve it. See, you take this problem here now. They ask, what is the question they asked? Find resistance between AB, BC and CA here now. A to B क्या resistance है? A to C क्या है? B to C क्या है? What is the total resistance you have to identify here now? The question is very simple. A to B, what is the resistance? A to B, what is the resistance? B to C, what is the resistance? C to A, what is the resistance here? Yes? Is it visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone tell me that one? What is the resistance between AB? RAB?
15.
15. How?
Resistance are in series. So addition.
Okay, both the resistances A to B, same current will flow, because C we can consider this one as open circuit only now. We are considering only AB. A to B का short circuit करने का इधर. A to B, which is the, what is the resistance? So RAB is 5 plus 10 is 15. Next RBC, anyone other person? Any other person? Resistance between B and C.
So
Yes.
6.
Resistance between B and C.
25.
25, 6. Any other answers?
6, sir.
6. How you are calculating 6?
10 into 15 divided by 10 plus.
25.
How these two are you are looking parallel? अरे तुम ये साइड में वो साइड में जाके देखो, तुम ये भी पैरेलल में देखते क्या? So while considering it is not connected to this one, it is not connected to all or not connected here. No, B to C only we have to consider here. Don't consider this one. It is connected to anywhere. ये point ये वापस आके B को connection किया क्या? ये C को connection हो गया क्या? नहीं है ना? So it opposite this end is it is going to grounded only. We can consider that one. This path we don't consider this one now. ये किधर तो इधर connection है, इसको link है तो ये consider कर सकते हैं. Only we have to concentrate on current will start from B and it will flow here, but आगे open circuit की वजह से क्या होगा? नहीं जाएगा. B to C it will flow and come back to the B. Closer path रहने का ना. BC means B से जाके वापस B को ही आना है हमको. Only we are thinking that one BC is a closer path now here. BC चालू हो जाते इधर जाएगा. 10 plus 15 it is nothing but 25. The resistance between B and C is 25, not 6. Remember that one here. Next, anyone AC resistance between A and C?
20.
20.
5 plus 15, that is 20 only. So RAB equal to 5 plus 10, 15. RAC is 5 plus 15, 20, and RBC equal to 10 plus 15, that is 25. So this one we are going to call as star circuit. Star circuit बोलते हैं हम इसको ही. आइए discussion करके. Okay, next, one more problem, you take that one. See here, this is very simple. This one you calculate now. Now you tell me that one, which one is parallel, which one is series. अभी मालूम हो जाते तुमको. So एक one to another all are connected here now. सब connected है, कौन सा भी skip नहीं करने का. All of you do the calculation and tell the answer. Over. Over. Completed. कोई तो रिप्लाई दे दो, कर रहे क्या नहीं? Anyone can you tell the answer of RAB? A to B. See here, all of you listen.
6 by 10.
6 by
एक मिनट सर.
5 by 3.
Yes
A
sir.
to B बोल रहे हैं हम. A to B. So current A से चालू करने का, A से चालू करने के लिए इधर एक path है. It is this act as a circle or junction here now. ये इधर तक point current आ रहा है. Some current will flow here and some current will flow here now. So
4.4.
no. Listen
5 by 3.
22 अपन.
Will see, listen carefully.
22 by 5.
No, just listen here now. So current ये point से चालू हो जाएगा. ये point से direct दो path मिल रहे तुमको. इधर some current will flow, इधर some current will flow. See first मैंने college का example लेता हूँ अभी. ये point means college है. कॉलेज से गेट से बाहर आते आते हमको दो रोड मिल जाते हैं, एक लेफ्ट साइड को एक राइट साइड को, है ना? एक राइट साइड जाने वाला इधर आ जाएगा डायरेक्ट, वो बी
अच्छा।
को जा रहा है। ओके, दो बी को जा रहा है। नेक्स्ट लेफ्ट जाने वाला इधर जा रहा है, इधर जाने के बाद वापस ऐसा आ रहा है। इसको ए करंट है ना, इसको आगे कुछ नहीं है। देन सेम पीपल्स दे विल कम लाइक ए गोपालपुर को जाके वापस ए पॉइंट को आ रहा है। मीन्स ऐसा मेन मंगलवेढ़ा हाईवे से वापस रिटर्न दे आर कमिंग टू द बी हियर नाउ। सो कम टू लेंथी प्रोसेस दे हैव टेकन हियर नाउ। ए टू होम, sorry, this one 4 and 6 are in series now here now. Same current will flow in the 4 and 6 here now. 4 plus 6 10, 10 and 2 are in parallel now. Remember, ये 2 as it is रखो, 6 plus 4 10 हो गए, दोनों पैरेलल पाथ हो गए, इधर एक पैरेलल पाथ, इधर एक पैरेलल पाथ, बी को आ रहे हैं तो सो दैट डायग्राम आई हैव ड्रॉन हियर। सी हियर, ए से चालू किए, ए से दो पार्ट आए, सम इधर 2 ओम, इधर 4 की तरफ आ रहे, दिस वन, यस,
yes
4
sir.
तक आ रहा है ना, 4 ओम। 4 ओम के बाद क्या आएगा, पॉइंट सी आ जाएगा, पॉइंट सी है इसका। आइए इस साइड को कुछ नहीं है, इट इज नथिंग, करंट विल नॉट फ्लो हियर नाउ। नेक्स्ट क्या आ जाएगा, सेम करंट इट विल टेक टू द 6 ओम हियर नाउ, 6 ओम आ जाएगा। ये दोनों सीरीज में है अभी,
Yes sir.
दोनों सीरीज में है तो 6 plus 4 कितना हो गए,
10.
10 हो गए। सो दिस 10 ohm is in parallel with 2 ohm.
Yes sir.
Okay, then 2 and 10 are in parallel, so it will go back to the B here now. It will come back to the B here now. So RAB equal to 2 is parallel with 4 plus 6. So 2 and 10 are in parallel. So 2 into 10 divided by 2 plus 10, 20 divided by 12. It is nothing but 1.667 answer. ऐसा थोड़ा दिमाग यूज करने का है, सिंपल नहीं रहते, कौन सा भी चीज सिंपल नहीं रहते। दैट इज यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट वन। You have to remember that one, you have to remember here. Is it clear? So to understanding purpose only I have considered this point A to B, A से B जाने के लिए डायरेक्ट 2 ओम से डायरेक्ट जा सकते हैं। So 2 ओम I have considered here now, A to B। और A to B के लिए और एक रास्ता है, इधर से C को जाके फिर वापस इधर आना है। So A to C 4 ओम है, C to B 6 ओम है। So these two are in series now. Continuously we have to flow here. Similarly, we calculate BC resistance, RBC you consider calculate the similar methods. You calculate RBC.
Three ohm.
3 sir.
3 ohm. Any other answers? Any other answers?
3.
Very good. That is 3 ohm is the correct. So BC calculation करने के लिए चालू करो अभी। B to C जाना है हमको, इधर सोर्स है, इधर डेस्टिनेशन है, इधर से B से चालू करो। B से पहला C को जाने के लिए डायरेक्ट पाथ है 6 ओम। सो B to C 6 ओम लिखने का इधर। और एक रास्ता है B to C, इधर से A को जाना है, पहला A को जाने के लिए 2 ओम रेजिस्टेंस आ जाएगा, उसके बाद C को आना है। सो 2 plus 4, these two are in series now here now. 2 plus 4 is 6 here now. 6 and 6 are in parallel here now. So 6 into 6 divided by 6 plus 6 is equal to 36 by 12. 12 3 ja 3 ohm here now. Next RAC calculation karo.
2.6.
2.67.
2.6.
RAC
Yes, 2.67.
2.67.
67.
Okay, very good. 2.667 or 2.7, whatever it may be, all are correct only here now. So this one is RAC, we are going to call that one. A to C, one path is there, A to C direct 4 ohms through आ जाते, और A to C और एक रास्ता है A to B जाने का, B से C आना है। A to B 2 ohm and B to C 6 ohm. 2 plus 6 it is 8 here now. This 8 ohm is in parallel with 4 ohm, so 8 into 4 divided by 4 plus 8 is nothing but 2.667 here. और किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो बोलो अभी इसमें, if anyone have the doubts regarding this?
No, sir.
No? No doubts? So
No,
according to your syllabus, Now we are going to discuss about star delta connection here. Now, just a minute. So next we will discuss, this completes the series and parallel circuit complete हो गए. Next we will discuss about star delta connection. We are going to call that one star to delta and delta to star connection. We are going to discuss over there here now. Star delta or delta star transformation, we are going to call that one delta star transformation. We are going to call that one here now. Delta to star or star to delta, whatever it may be, we can call that one here now. You can read the inserted text box. I will insert, just a minute. Star delta transformation. Take the heading, this one. दिख रहे नहीं PPT?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We just take the heading of star delta transformation. ऐसे ही ले लो heading. अभी new topic start हो गए, इसके लिए बोल. Take the heading of star delta transformation. Clear heading?
Yes, sir.
Next we will go for star connection. Don't take the heading now, just listen here now. Star connection बोलते हैं हमने. Star connection, a network is rearranged from here now. This is star connection. ऐसा connection है, अभी देखा है ना starting एक series problem, parallel problem लिया, path लिया हमने. इधर कुछ नहीं है, इधर कुछ नहीं है. But ये if it is connected like this, then also we can connect like this here now. Directly we can consider this part. This part is open, this part is open. It is connected in the form of T here now. T जैसा है ना, और ऐसा साइड में राइट साइड एंगल में देखा तो H जैसा दिखते हैं. This path you remove. This ये branch है ना, ये जरूरत ही नहीं है अभी. This is not yet considered here now. This is R1, R2, R3 here now. All are connected in the form of T. That one we are going to call as a star connection here now. So that one, ये डायरेक्ट ऐसा देखा तो स्टार कनेक्शन जैसे दिखते क्या है? This part. If you are seeing here, it looks like star connection or not? Star connection जैसा दिखते क्या है? नहीं है ना?
Yes, sir.
नहीं है, नहीं दिखते ये स्टार कनेक्शन. उसके लिए दिस इज द स्टार जैसा कनेक्शन किया हमने. स्टार कनेक्शन और वाई कनेक्शन ऑल्सो बोल सकते हैं हमने. वाई है ना ये, दिस इज
Yes.
वाई सिंबल जैसा. This one we are going to call as a star connection here now. One end of the all the resistances are connected to common point, that is grounded here now. That is common point we are going to consider. Another end of each resistance is going to some others. It may connect to the voltage source, it may connect to the load resistance, it may connect to the current source, like that here. But one common end, one end of all resistance is connected to the common point. That one we are going to call as star connection. We are going to tell that one. Star connection, we are going to tell that one here. So this point, again, the three ends of the resistors are connected in Y connection or star fashion. A common node or point of star connection is known as neutral here. This point है ना, इसको neutral point बोलते हैं. This point is known as neutral point here. Star or Y, WYE, Y connection or T connection also we can consider that one if these two are like this and this one here. Yes, star connection मालूम हो गए? Just no need to note down anything here. Derivation is very important here. Main thing is derivation. Okay, a star connection we can see like this. It may be Y connection, or it may be reverse Y connection, or it may be T connection. Any term, any type, any fashion, it may come here. ये तीन वेज है ना, ये ऐसा आ सकते, नहीं तो ये ऐसा आ सकते, नहीं तो ऐसा आ सकते. This is called star connection here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Just connection बोल रहा हूँ मैंने, कैसे रहते
Yes,
star
sir.
connection बोल. Next, delta connection here now. When three resistances are connected in a fashion to the closer mesh here now. 1 2 3 इधर ही बोलता हूँ मैं. ये three resistances है ना, एक से एक कनेक्ट होना है पहला. 1 to 2 here. So three resistance I will mark here somewhere. तीन resistance लेने का. एक मिनट मोबाइल से ऑन करके. See, this is one R1 resistance consider करो, ये R2 consider करो, ये R3 consider करो. One end of the resistance is connected with another end of the resistance here. End to end connection बोलते हैं. इसका first end is connected to the second end of this one. A. This is AC branch. This is AB and BC here now. So next, this other end of the RAC is connected to the RBC here now. Next, RBC other end is connected to back to the RAB here now. By connecting end to end, it has made a closer conducting path. Closer conducting path मिल गए इधर A to B, B to C, C to A here. First you consider RAB resistance. RAB का one end ऐसे ही रखो इधर. Second end है ना, it is connected to the RBC here now. Both are connected here now. So we have made one point, that is B here. RBC. Next, RBC का other end is connected to RAC here now. That point we have made as C here now. And RAC another end is connected to the RAB first end here now. That point we have made as A here. So it is formed as a delta connection, and this formed a closer conducting path we are going to consider. Closer mesh it has created here. So 3 points are there, A, B, C. Whatever the resistance between 2 points, that is A and B, that is we have considered RAB. Resistance between B and C, RBC we have considered. Resistance between RAC we have considered here. RAC we have considered. Next one. See here. This is also different ways of connections we can consider. See here. In the delta connection, diamond connection we can consider this one. इसका डाउन साइड रह सकते हैं और इसको जस्ट ए स्क्वायर बॉक्स जैसा रह सकते हैं. इधर इधर एक है, इधर एक है, इधर एक है. ये this term is resistance connected to these two terminal, and these two terminal connected here now, and these two terminal are connected here now. In any matter they can connect here. Is it clear? कैसे रहते सेफ बोल के बोला मैंने पहले. डेल्टा कनेक्शन का सेफ कैसे रहते, स्टार कनेक्शन का सेफ कैसे रहते. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you have to remember that one. Next, our aim is to अभी now what we have to do. ये डेल्टा कनेक्शन है. अभी देखो इधर A to B, sorry A to B, इधर RAB is connected to sorry A to B one resistance is connected, B to C one resistance is connected, C to A one resistance is connected here. This form it is connected in the form of delta, and that one we have to convert into star connection here. A B C है ना, इधर भी A है, इधर भी B है, इधर भी C है, इधर भी C. देखो A है, इधर B है, इधर C है. सेम 3 पॉइंट लिए हमने.
Yes, sir.
सो डेल्टा कनेक्शन का कहा है A टू वन कॉमन पॉइंट पर बनाने का. सेंटर में एक कॉमन पॉइंट बनाओ इधर. ठीक है, सेंटर में कॉमन पॉइंट बनाओ एक. ये डेल्टा है ना, अभी डेल्टा को स्टार को कनेक्शन करना है. स्टार को कनेक्शन करना है तो सेंटर में एक कॉमन पॉइंट रहता है ना, ऑल रेजिस्टेंस टुगेदर कनेक्शन करने के लिए.
Yes.
सो A टू कॉमन पॉइंट के लिए एक रेजिस्टेंस ड्रा करो, और B टू कॉमन पॉइंट, C टू कॉमन पॉइंट. इसका अंदर एक फॉर्म जैसा हो गए, अभी डेल्टा स्टार कनेक्शन जैसा हो गए.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that one only we are going to do here now. We are going to do that thing only. We are adding here inside the, just a minute, I'll show you. पेन पेपर है तो अच्छे से बोल सकते थे. See here, A to B इधर कॉमन पॉइंट बनाए, इधर एक रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्शन करने का, इधर एक रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्शन करने का, इधर एक रेजिस्टेंस करने का. कंप्लीट ए स्टार कनेक्शन है ना, दिस वन इनसाइड दिस वन वी कैन डू दैट वन एंड वी विल गेट द डेल्टा इज कन्वर्टिंग इनटू स्टार कन्वर्शन कर सकते हैं. डेल्टा इज converted into star connection here. We can tell that one. But the value of resistance between A to B for delta connection is different. B to C is different. C to A is different. If different values hai na? Yes or no?
Yes.
But this one we have to convert into RA, RB, RC here. The resistance in the star connection which is connected to the A we will consider as RA, which is connected to B we will consider as RB, which is connected to C we will consider as RC here now. And another end we have made, that is common point, that is called neutral. Neutral line we are going to call that one here. So this delta connection we have to convert into star connection. So we have to do the analysis here now. Delta to star connection we have to identify the formula here. Formula इधर ये RA का फॉर्मूला आइडेंटिफाई करना है हमको. डेल्टा A to B RA भी है, but RA what do you mean by RA? What is the formula for RB and what is the formula for RC? Yes, we'll do the calculation. Okay, let's start the derivation here now. Two arrangements shown are electrically equivalent here now. Two arrangements electrically equivalent. Resistance between A and B for star, resistance between A and B for delta we have to write down first. RA to B here अभी कैलकुलेशन एक दो प्रॉब्लम लिया था मालूम है क्या? पहला स्टार कनेक्शन लिखो. अभी स्टार कनेक्शन का रेजिस्टेंस बिटवीन A to B कितना है, क्या लिख सकते हैं? Star connection you consider this one A to
RA
B.
plus RB.
RA plus RB.
RA plus RB we can write down here now. So RA resistance between A and B for star equal to resistance between A and B for delta. Both are equating here now. So RA plus RB we have written here for the star connection equal to, next what do you mean by resistance between A and B here for delta connection? A to B one resistance is there. So A to B one path. Next A to B another resistance path is there, RCA and RBC. So RCA plus RBC is in parallel with RAB. Yes?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
diagram. This diagram you see here, this one. A to B one path, A to B another path is there. This one plus this one लिखते ना, ऐसा लिख देने का भी. Next. See here, RA plus RB is for star connection. For the delta connection, RAB is in parallel with RBC plus RC. This one I will write as equation number 1 here. Split then this one into, split it. RA plus RB as it is, RAB into RBC plus RCA. We can write this one here now, and divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. Summation of all है ना, उसके लिए RAB plus RBC plus RCA. We can write this one here. Next one, similarly we can consider A to B हो गए ना, अभी B to C consider करने का. B to C क्या है? RB plus RC हो सकते?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
RB plus RC equal to, here also RB plus RC. RB कितना है? RBC. So B to C calculation करना है ना, one path RBC. Another one is RAB plus RCA here now. RAB plus RCA. Both are in parallel here now. RBC into RCA plus RAB divided by, divided term is same only. RAB plus RBC plus RCA here no, all term here no. A R1 plus R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2 लिखते हैं ना हम
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
parallel path को. This one you consider as R1, this one you consider as R2. Here R1 into R2 complete bracket लिए उसके लिए divided by R1 plus R2. R1 लिखा है plus RCA plus RAB ऐसे लिख सकते हैं ना.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is the equation number 3 we have considered. Next equation number 4, same as it is between A and C we have to write down here now. A to C. So R A to C here, RA plus RC, RA plus RC we can consider here now. So RCA is the A to C, R to CA is in parallel with RAB and RBC here now. RAB plus RBC divided by RAB plus RBC plus RC. So don't take this one. I have handwrittenly, I have written notes. I will send to you peoples. You can practice it. This one. Okay, Abhi? How many
Yes,
equations are got? You got
4.
4 equations. You got. Next, what you have to do? You have to rearranging the equations. The objects to point RA, RB, and RC in terms of RAB and RCA. Subtracting equation 3 from 2 and adding to equation number 4. We have to do here. Subtract equation 2 and equation 3 from 2 here. No, equation 2 कहाँ है? इधर है. RA plus RB है. Equation 3 क्या है? RB and RC है. So AC term में कैलकुलेशन करने का one term we have to completely remove RA कैलकुलेशन करने का पहला. इसके लिए क्या करना है? तुम लोग खुद कैलकुलेशन करना पड़ेगा. You have to write down in your notebook here now. You have to write down your notebook. Still time is there. Just I will start the setup part. किधर है वो भाई? पेपर से लिखूं क्या?
Yes, sir.
डायरेक्ट उधर से तो नहीं होता क्यों तो फॉर्मूला एंटर करना है तो उतना इजी काम नहीं है. So paper is visible.
Yes, sir.
So first we'll write RA plus RB equal to RAB to RBC plus RCA divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. This one equation number 2. Yes. Next. RB plus RC, RBC, RCA plus RAB. Divided term is same. RAB plus RBC plus RCA. This is equation number 3. Next, RC plus RA. RCA plus RAB plus RBC divided by RAB plus RBC plus RC. Equation number 4 here. So this equation number 4. Next we have to, what we have to do? Subtract equation 3 from equation number 2. Visible है paper?
Yes, sir.
Equation number 3 में, sorry, equation number 2 में 3 minus करना है. Equation, हाँ, equation 2 लिखो पहला. RA plus RB है. Okay. Equation 3 को minus करना है. So minus RB minus RC ऐसा लिख सकते?
Yes, sir.
Equal to LHS हो गए अभी. Similarly, equation 2 का RHS लिखो as it is. RAB ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर दो ये दोनों टर्म, आर ए बी इंटू आर बी सी
RBC,
प्लस आर ए बी इंटू
RCA.
RAC,
आर सी ए डिवाइडेड बाय टर्म तो सेम है दोनों को, सो इट विल कम सेम ओनली, एलसीएम ओनली सेम ओनली, आर बी बी प्लस आर बी सी प्लस आर सी ए. So equation 3 RHS will be minus now because subtract कर रहे हैं हम. Okay, this two multiplication करो, RBC into RCA
RCA,
minus
RBC,
RBC into
RAB.
minus RBC into
RBC, RAB,
RAB. Okay, see here कौन सा भी टर्म कैंसिल होते हैं क्या देखो, AB
Yes,
and BC है ना, RAB
no,
प्लस है इधर, RAB
Second.
RABC माइनस है, so these two will get cancelled. Yes, RAB into RBC, here RAB into RBC.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir,
Okay, left term is here also RB gets
RB,
cancelled. So the left term is RA
RA,
Minus
minus
RC.
RC equal to RAB RCA
RCA,
minus RBC
RBC,
RCA.
RCA divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. This one equation number 5 karo. See here RA minus RC is there, here RC plus RA is there, है ना, इधर माइनस, दोनों एडिशन किए तो RC कैंसिल हो सकते,
yes, sir,
Yes, sir.
adding equation 4 in equation number 5, equation number 5, equation 4 का RHS लिखो पहला, सॉरी LHS RC plus RA है, ये लिखा है. नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन 5 का लिखो, प्लस RA
plus RA,
minus
minus
RC
RC,
equal to, next this one split into two, that's for multiplication form, RCA into
RAB,
RAB
RAB
plus
plus RCA into
RBC.
RBC. डिवाइडेड टर्म तो सेम है ना सबको,
yes, sir,
Yes, sir.
RAB plus RBC plus RCA plus इक्वेशन नंबर 5 का लिखो, RAB plus sorry RAB RCA minus
minus
RBC into
RBC.
RCA here.
RCA,
RBC RCA here minus term is there, here plus term is there. These two will get cancelled.
yes, sir,
Next year minus RC plus RC will get cancelled.
yes, sir,
So how many term left here now?
2
Twice
RA,
RA.
RA plus RA is nothing but
Twice RA.
2 RA,
twice RA. So 2 RA here now. See here RAB RCA, here also RAB RCA now.
Twice RCA RAB.
2
Okay, twice RAB into RCA.
RCA.
Write like this, divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. This twice gets
So
cancelled.
cancel,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir,
So RA equal to
RAB.
RAB RCA divided by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. This is the resistance of value of RA. Whatever we have to calculate, the resistance connected for the RA. RA के लिए ये फॉर्मूला कंसिडर करने का. Remember? Understood?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir,
Similarly, we can write RB. कैसे लिख सकते? See here. I will stop the video. I will turn off this one. Listen carefully. In the diagram, you listen. See here. Here RA term is there. RA is nothing but this one, where we have to connect A point से connection करना है, इसको conversion करना है star को, this delta. So RA equal to this into this multiplication किए, A को कितना दो parallel पाता है, RAB RAC. So RAB into RCA है इधर,
yes, sir,
upper term. Multiplication of these two term, divided by summation of all resistance here now, RAB plus RBC plus RCA. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट आर बी कैसे लिख सकते हैं, इधर बी है, बी से हमने कॉमन पॉइंट इधर कनेक्शन किए, एक रेजिस्टेंस है, बी को कौन सा कनेक्टेड है, ए बी एंड बी सी है ना,
BC.
तो
B.
आर ए बी इंटू आर बी सी लिख सकते हैं, मल्टीप्लीकेशन
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
आर ए बी आर बी सी डिवाइडेड बाई आर ए बी प्लस आर बी सी प्लस आर सी है, समेशन ऑफ ऑल दैट. यस.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Similarly, RC we can write down here now. C को दो resistance connected है, RAC and RCA. RCA into RAC, sorry RBC है ना ये,
RBC.
divided by RAB plus RBC plus RC. Similar way है ना?
Yes,
So
sir.
for that reason only I am telling you people, we can write the equation for B, RB equal to RAB into RBC. B कॉमन टर्म रहने का दोनों में. यस, इधर भी B है, इधर भी B है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
डिवाइडेड बाय ऑल रेजिस्टेंस RAB प्लस RBC प्लस RCA.
RC.
नेक्स्ट RC इक्वल टू RCA एक एंड RBC इक्वल टू, दो
BC.
टर्म है, C is common,
sir.
should be common, divided by RAB plus RBC plus
RCA.
RCA.
C.
See, one more point I will tell you here. Delta connection is there. I will write the delta connection. ये diagram रखो. I will take the next paper only. Remember. This is A. कौन सा B लिए, A C लिए. Yes. ये delta connection है. Delta इधर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is RAB, RCA,
RC.
RBC. Okay. This one I like this. It is flowing here. हमको ये डेल्टा कनेक्शन स्टार को कन्वर्शन करना है. इधर एक कॉमन पॉइंट बनाओ, सेंटर में.
Yes, sir.
So A2 common point, that one we are going to call as RA here now. RA equal to A को कौन सा कनेक्ट हो गए, this one and this one, multiplication of these two divided by all summation here now. Yes, RA कैलकुलेशन हो गए.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट RB कैलकुलेशन करना है, नेक्स्ट RC कैलकुलेशन करना है. अभी पेंसिल है तो और एक इच्छा है डेल्टा कनेक्शन करने का, इसका ये दोनों मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवाइड बाय समेशन ऑफ ऑल करने का, ये दोनों रिमूव कर देने का. सो वंस इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू स्टार, ये डेल्टा टर्म है ना, ये रिमूव करने का, ये रिमूव करने का, ये रिमूव करने का, तुमको स्टार में मिल जाएगा वैल्यू सेम. यस.
Yes, sir.
So delta is converted into star here.
Star.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
समझ में आया क्या नहीं?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, see, this is very important. I am telling you, this is the last topic almost. The tomorrow class, delta to star अभी हो गए, star to delta I will explain in the next class. So now only you clarify. If you have any doubts, you can ask now only. If you have any doubts, you can ask now.
Sir, notes.
Notes
हाँ.
sir. Notes sir, PPT भेज देता हूँ, ये रेफर करो ना.
Okay, sir.
I will send the PPT, but handwritten notes है मेरे पास सर, देखेंगे वो.
सर असाइनमेंट
कैसे दिए, MCQ दिए क्या, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस दिए?
एमसीक्यू
Maths के MCQ है sir.
सब लोग ये मैथ्स का MCQ है ना, ऑलरेडी MCQ बुकलेट तो दिया है मैंने, दिया है ना MCQ बुकलेट.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट, वही ओपन करके बोल दो क्या, कौन सा क्वेश्चन
सर उसमें से कितने सॉल्व करने हैं सभी?
नहीं, 20 करो ना, 20 क्वेश्चन
Okay,
पेपर्स क्वेश्चंस,
ओके सर.
20 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, यानी 20 क्वेश्चंस MCQ. बाकी सब्जेक्ट का कौन सा दिए, कितना दिए?
नहीं दिया अभी,
सो एक्चुअली हमने असाइनमेंट कोई नहीं दिए क्या?
नहीं दिया।
ये देखेंगे फिर, रुको अभी आई सॉरी चैप्टर टेस्ट का प्रिपरेशन करो। सेम एमसीक्यूज विल कम, व्हाटएवर द एमसीक्यू बुकलेट में है ना, सेम एमसीक्यू। सी हियर लास्ट पॉइंट, दिस वन, डेल्टा टू स्टार ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, you know, easy way, whatever I told you, this is inside they have taken, you know, ये पॉइंट को कनेक्शन किए। प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू एडजेंट आर्म्स ऑफ डेल्टा कनेक्शन, you know, एडजेंट मींस आरसीए एंड आरएबी, ओके, आरए के लिए, divided by sum of arms of delta, you know, RAB plus RBC plus RCA. So this derivation is very important. If it is possible, tomorrow I will whole derivation I will write in one paper and I will display. You note down it, and we'll start to delta connection and we'll finish the first unit. Next Monday we'll take 1 or 2 problems on this one, and in Tuesday onwards we'll start the second unit. Okay, Monday you have the chapter test 1 on first chapter, this one. Up to tomorrow topic, स्टार टू डेल्टा कन्वर्शन होने के बाद उधर तक कंप्लीट करेंगे।